Did you have a good trip? Yeah, it was great. The hotel was right near the beach. That sounds perfect. Can't believe we're finally doing this. Remember that? Hey, brackets for a weekend trip? Hey, parece dia. I can't believe this line at check-in. We're never gonna make it through security. Você through security. Relax, aprecio como eu. I can't believe we're finally by. A date dive? Totally, and we have to taste it. It's over here. This is gonna be epic. Look at that view. Isn't it just stunning? Oh, absolutely. I could stare at it forever. It's pretty amazing. Hey, only when it's justified. Like now. Seriously? No way. I can't believe this. This city is amazing, isn't it? Absolutely. I love the vibe here. We should explore more tomorrow. Okay, Lily, be honest. Do you really need 5 fiabe? Absolutely. What if we go shopping? What if we go to a fancy restaurant? What if we walk a lot? You always say what if. Last time you only wore sneakers. That's because you convinced me to walk everywhere. Anyway, I'm packing smart this time. Smart? Your bag looks like it's going to explode. Relax, I'm just excited. Washington to Dubai. That sounds amazing. I can't believe we're actually doing this. By the way, did you check your passport? Yes, twice. Did you? Now you're making me nervous. Okay, I checked. It's in my bag. I hope? I'm kidding. I'm just trying to make this trip fun. Mission accomplished. I'm already stressed out. Before we start, if you enjoy learning English through real conversations and fun stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create a high-quality viewing together. This airport is so busy. I love this feeling. Same here, tired at the same time. Look at that line. I hope we don't miss our flight. This airport is so busy. I love this feeling. Same here, traveling makes me late. Look at that line. I hope we don't miss our flight. Me neither. Hot weather, tall buildings, and of course, shopping. If you're enjoying this English conversation, don't forget to like this video. Okay, long flight. What are we gonna do for hours? Talk, obviously. Perfect. I'm good at that. I noticed. So what's the first thing you want to do in Dubai? Honestly, eat. I want to try low food fi. Of course you do. You love tall buildings. Dubai, I'm from Washington. Dubai will be very different. Different is good. Different is exciting. Oh my goodness, so warm. Welcome to Dubai. This city looks unreal. Clean, modern, and so colorful. I already love it. I feel like I'm in a movie. Same. If you want to improve your English, watch this video again and repeat the sentences. Okay, seats checked, bags up, phones on and ready. I still can't we're flying to Dubai. Ready. This feels like a dream. By the way, window or aisle? Window. I want to see everything. Of course you do. You never miss a view. Travel rule number 1, enjoy the journey. Wow, that sounded deep. So, what do you expect from Dubai? I expect feet and surprise. Amazing thighs. Don't pretend you're not excited. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you want us to travel next. See you in the next video.